Hi everyone, welcome back. Today sharing a fish combo recipe, that's how to make spicy hara bangda masala and crispy bangda fry in a very unique way. That's full of flavor, aroma and taste extremely delicious. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So here I have taken 1.5 kg of bangda, also known as mackerel. After cleaning, wash them with turmeric and salt. Just apply, leave it for some time and then rinse thoroughly. Turmeric has a natural antibiotic properties and also helps in removing odor. Now allow water to drain and we move ahead and firstly prepare the hara masala, which will make the dish extremely flavorful and delicious. So into a blender I have added around 10 to 12 garlic cloves and 3 to 4 inch size of ginger. Then to this I have added handful of fresh coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. Then added 6 to 7 green chilies, add according to your taste, add salt and grind. Blend it into a smooth paste and spicy hara masala is ready. You can squeeze half lemon juice and store in a glass jar. It will stay fresh for 2 to 3 weeks in refrigerator. Now let's proceed with the marination. So squeeze in 1 lemon juice. Then goes in salt as required. A teaspoon of black pepper powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And add freshly grounded hara masala, around 2 tablespoons. And mix it well. You may add this hara masala to your curries or sabzis and trust me, it will make the dish extremely flavorful and delicious. You may also use it as a chutney with snacks. So after applying the basic marination, here I am separating few pieces for making fish fries. So these are for frying and the other one is making for the fish masala. So now allow it to marinate for a while and we continue with the fish fry marination now. So to this we're going to add chili powder around 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, a teaspoon of cumin powder and a tablespoon of rice flour. Ingredient details of all are mentioned in the description box. You may have a look. Mix all well. I already made a few incisions on the fish slices. Ensure masalas are applied well. Now to this we're going to add little oil and little water and coat the masalas well on each slices. We're going to marinate this for around 30 minutes in refrigerator. The more time it gets marinated, the more tasty and delicious the fish will turn. Now allow this to marinate and let's proceed in preparing the fish masala. For this I have taken 250 grams of shallots. Shallots make dish more delicious. Chop them finely. If you don't have shallots, you may use regular onions around 3 medium size. Now heat up a pan or a skillet and add oil for shallow frying the fishes. Now we're going to shallow fry the marinated fish just for 2 to 3 minutes until they are half cooked. Remaining we're going to cook with the masalas. So place the fishes and shallow fry them on each side. So here I am using my cast iron pan for frying the fish. I have already shared a detailed video on how to season, clean and maintain the iron pots and pans. We'll share the link in description. You may have a look. As cooking in them, it's not only healthy but also makes food extremely delicious. Now they are half cooked. So transfer it to a plate. And then we're going to proceed in preparing the masalas. So for preparing masala, here I am using a clay pot. Adding the same oil in which we fried the fish. Once oil heats up, add in cumin seeds and allow it to splutter. Then add in curry leaves and finely chopped garlic. It's around 10 to 12 cloves that have chopped finely. Give a mix and cook until raw smell goes. Then goes in slitted green chilies around 4 to 5 and saute well. Then goes in chopped shallots. Give a mix and cook until onion turns soft. Add salt as required. Remember, we have already added salt in the fish, so add accordingly. Give a mix and cook onions until they turn light golden in color. Do not overcook the onions. Onions have turned soft, so it's time to add in the tomatoes now. So here I'm adding around 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. Give a mix and then cover and cook the tomatoes until they turn soft. So meanwhile, into the leftover marinated masala ball, we're going to add in the spice powder. So goes in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chili powder and Kashmiri chili powder and a teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well, add water and make a thin paste. On the other side, tomatoes turn soft, saute well. Now to this we're going to add 3 tablespoons of hara masala. This hara masala will make the dish extremely flavorful and delicious. Give a mix. Adding curry leaves not only gives a unique flavor but also makes the dish super tasty. Also, curry leaves are loaded with several health benefits, so instead of just using it only for tempering, use it in this form to gain the full benefits. I have made a separate video on how to make curry leaves powder at home along with its nutritious health benefits. We'll share the link in the description box, you may have a look. Now to this masala, add the spice mix paste now and saute well. We're going to cook this masala until oil oozes out. Masala is cooked well. As you can see here, it's time to adjust the consistency now. So add in water accordingly. Remember to add the hot water and do not add cold one. Adjust the water according to your desired consistency which you prefer. Give a mix and allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the consistency I prefer. So add in the chopped coriander leaves now and give a mix. Now place the fried fishes on the masala and cover and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Finally, add in around 1 to 2 teaspoons of freshly grounded black pepper powder and gently mix. Adding pepper powder at the end will give a fresh aroma and taste to the dish. Do try and I'm sure you'll love it. Remember, as we are cooking in a clay pot, we can switch off the flame at this stage as clay pot tends to continue to cook for another 5 to 10 minutes even after switching off the flame due to its heat retention. See, a super delicious spicy Bangda hara masala is ready. Look how tempting this looks and tastes super awesome. And cooking them in a clay pot makes it even more delicious. I've shared a detailed video on how to season, clean and maintain the clay pots. We'll share that link in the description box, you may have a look. So do try this fish masala recipe and I'm sure you'll truly love it. And enjoy it with steamed rice, even with roti, parathas or even dosas. It's a flavorfully delicious recipe. With this we move on in frying the fishes. So into a heated pan add in oil for shallow frying the fishes, then place the fish slices. And add in few chopped curry leaves over them. It will give a nice flavor. And shallow fry them until they turn golden and crispy. I had already posted several fish recipes in my channel. You may either visit playlist and watch or else we'll share these links in description box. You may have a look. All the recipes are unique, simple and tasty. Hope you're liking this video. If so, please hit the like button and share among your family and friends. And for more unique and delicious recipes, stay tuned with Nisha Thaju. Fry them on all the sides until they turn crispy. Fish is fried well as you can see here and a delicious crispy bangda fry is ready. It's a must try recipe. So do try and impress your family and friends. You may enjoy this combo dish with steamed rice, even with roti, paratha or dosa. It's a flavorfully delicious recipe. Hope you like this combo recipe. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.